In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Let's get started right away so you can make your website stand out with a unique identity. First, we need to head over to Hostinger's website. You may already be familiar with Hostinger as a platform for bringing your ideas online, but if not, you're in for a treat. Hostinger provides a wealth of tools and options to help you build your online presence. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you're a Hostinger newbie, make sure you have your username and password at hand to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to what is called the Hostinger H panel. It serves as the main dashboard for managing your website. Here you can see all your websites listed. From this dashboard, navigate to the Home tab. The interface is user-friendly, but if you get lost, just remember that everything is laid out to help you access various settings and tools easily. Now find your website and look for the Edit Website option. Clicking on this will take you into the Website Builder interface. This is where all the magic happens. It's a powerful space for tweaking elements of your site, and today we're focusing on adding that essential favicon. Once you're in the Website Builder, look for the More Settings option. Selecting this will open up additional options that provide further customization capabilities for your site. One thing to keep in mind is that customizing elements like the favicon really helps boost your brand's visibility. Under More Settings, you'll then find General Settings. Click on it to continue the journey to your favicon. General Settings contain various foundational settings, and nestled among them is the vital favicon option. Now that you're inside General Settings, click on Favicon. This step is where you'll actually attach that little icon that represents your brand. A favicon is essentially a small square icon that helps identify your brand on a browser tab. It's a key aspect of brand recognition and professionalism. Once you're on the favicon page, you should see an option to add image. Selecting this option will allow you to upload your favicon file. Make sure your image is clear and adheres to size requirements. Usually a 16x16 pixel PNG or ICO file is optimal. And there you have it. The process is now complete, and your website should feature a distinctive favicon visible in the browser tab. This small yet significant addition improves user experience by making your site instantly recognizable. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your newly branded site on Hostinger.